Hey, welcome to this video on my channel Off to Office. Today I'm going to tell you about a very interesting thing. I will talk about how you can generate a calendar with single cell formula. I will teach you two ways of doing so. One by the latest sequence function, which is available in the Office 365 version of Excel only. And then I will train you how you can create the same calendar like this without the sequence formula. So this is the calendar I'm talking about. Let's say if I change this year to 2026, so my calendar automatically changes like this. And we are going to achieve this with a single cell formula. So let me show you from scratch how we can do it. So I'm going to use the sequence formula here. Sequence, I tell you, is unbelievably amazing function. It can spill 100,000 data in one single click. So let's see its syntax. This is sequence. The first argument that it will take is rows. It means to ask how many rows I want to spill the data. So I know that in a year there are 52 or 53 weeks. So I will write 53. Then columns, 7 days in a week, 7. Start number will be 1, and step means how much of increment I want to these numbers. This will be 1, and press enter. So in one single click or with one single cell formula, you have populated or spilled this. So I will take help of these numbers only. So I'm going to do one thing. This is sequence. I'm going to add the date. Which date? The date which is formed by the year 2022. I will lock it. First day, first month, and I will lock it. So these cells are not formatted as date, so I will quickly convert it into date. Shortcut to the format cell option is Ctrl+1, and from here I can manually select any date of my choice, or any. I'm interested in this kind of date. According to this calendar, 2nd Jan falls on Monday, but I have to really know what is the day that falls on 1st January of this year. So for that I will take help of the weekday function. This is weekday function. So what does weekday do? In place of serial number I have to key in a date. So my date will be a date with year 2022 F4, first day, first month, and my return type will be Monday to Sunday, where Monday stands for 1. So I'm selecting this one. So this gives me 6. So what information does it convey? It tells that 1st January of 2022 is the 6th weekday. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is Saturday. So I want 1 June at this place. So what I can do it? So if I subtract the weekday from this date, I will get 1 January on Saturday. So I will subtract weekday. My date is year 2022 F4, first day and first month. Return type 2nd, and see, I got a 1 January on Saturday. So this completes my calendar. To beautify this calendar a bit, conditional formatting. So what I want to do is I want to color or format the alternate months. January with one color and February with no color. So what I'm going to do, we will use a formula like if month of any date of this month, that is January, what is it? This is 1. If this is divided by 2, it gives me a remainder 1. Again, if month of these dates falling in February is divided by 2, what it gives? It gives me 0. So on the basis of that, I will be using, so month, I have to divide mod. I have to divide month by 2. Sorry. So I am creating a test. If this value is 1, then return me true or false. It is returning me false. So with this formula, I will create a conditional formatting. I will copy it and create a new formula here. Conditional formatting, create new rules. So if this condition is met, format the cell like say blue. If you want to change pattern or something like fill effects, I'm interested in like say like this. So see, you can add more conditional formatting to it, as you know that these dates of December belong to the last year. So what I can do is I will do check if this date is less than what, 1st January, year is 2022, F4, 1st January, then format with some other color. So I can add one more condition, that if this date there it was less than, if this date is greater than what, a date with year 2022 and month 12 and day 31st, sorry. If that is the case, format with some other color that I can distinguish. I'm going to copy this formula and I'm going to copy this formula and again apply another conditional formatting here. The same process, new rule, and this time if this is the case, and I will then differentiate it with some gray color. So see, now you can change the year and see it's magic. Like if this is 2019, then this is the calendar. If this is 2025, then this is the calendar. Now we will see how we can achieve the same result without the help of sequence function. Now as we know, not everyone today has this Office 365 version of Excel. So as we show here, we need to generate a sequence of number like 1 2 7, then 8 9 10 11 12 like this. So to do that, I will select beforehand 53 by 7 cell table, and in the active cell, that is this one J4, I will start typing the formula. I need to generate 1 to 7 along this, that is horizontally. So I will use column function here, column, and my reference F4. What is it returning to me? I will subtract, sorry, column Monday F4 and then add +1 and see, have I generated? Yes, I have generated 1 to 7 horizontally. Now with the help of this 1 to 7 array, I will start generating an array of numbers in tabular form. So I will be adding first time 0 to all these 1 to 7 numbers, then 7, then 14, like this. There's a repetition of there's an addition of 7 14 21 to each rows. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. I will press Ctrl Z and wrap it around another bracket, and then I will generate a sequence of number from 0 to 7. I will generate a sequence of number like 0 7 21 28 like this. So for that, I will first generate 0 1 2 3 4 5, and then I will multiply that with 7. How we can do that? We can do that with row function. We have been doing this like any cell you can pick, F4 minus row and F4. and see have I have generated 0 1 2 3 something like this, and this one this time is vertical. How we can know that this is vertical? The semicolon indicates that these numbers are vertical. Now press Ctrl Z, and I will now multiply 7 to each one and see. Press F9, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Shift, enter. So we have generated 1 to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we can proceed the way we have proceeded so far, to the left. Like I will be adding, select this first and start adding the date with year 2025, lock it 1 1, okay, and then I subtracted weekday from it, right? Weekday, serial number again, serial number is a date with year 1 1, and return type is Monday, second one, and press Ctrl Shift, enter. Now this is not formatted to the date format, so I will press Ctrl 1 to format it, and date, I had selected this kind of, I can custom it if it is not found. This one I had selected, so, and I'm not doing any kind of formatting here. It was just to show you that we can achieve this without sequence function. Actually everyone will be using this technique only because not everyone has Office 365 right now. So with this I'm ending this video for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, do subscribe and share. Thank you.